Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel, with Website Candy. And the WWDC a couple days ago was really great, really informational. We got a lot of great stuff coming to us in iOS 14. Pretty excited about it. The public beta comes out in July. If you haven't already done so, go sign up for the public beta on Apple's website, and you can get in early to get started on all the new software they introduced. I was kind of looking forward to them introducing Apple Glass, but actually, I forgot it was a software update. I think they do the hardware updates like around Christmas time to sell the new devices and everything. So maybe by the end of the year, we'll get Apple Glass. But today, I just want to give you a quick Apple tip and trick. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and like this video, share it everywhere throughout all your platforms. But what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to show you an Apple tip that you probably didn't even realize is right here when you open up Finder, it goes to recent by default. If you have never changed this, all your Apple computers go right to recent. A way to change that is if you go up here to Finder, you go to Preferences, and right underneath Preferences, you see New Finder Window. And you can change this to wherever you want to change it to. And I want to go over here to other because I can't necessarily see what I want when it comes to where I want to send it to. So I want to go over here to my sidebar, which Apple made a lot of emphasis on. They're changing or they're adding sidebars everywhere. And I don't really know what they're talking about because the sidebars are right here. It's been here forever. But right here, my documents is always where I go. So I'm going to just select my documents, hit choose, and now when I open up a Finder window, let me close that down, it would automatically go to my documents. So let me go over here, open up a Finder window, and as you can see, it's here on my documents. That's the preference for me versus going over here to recent. If recent works for you and you like looking through all this stuff, go for it. However, me personally, I like to go straight to documents anytime I open up a Finder dialog here. So go ahead and give it a try. If you haven't already done so, right here at the end of the video, you'll have an opportunity to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.